Good evening. Thank you so much for everything you do in our community. We were talking about safety in our Newport Mesa Unified School District. I'm sorry. It's Kimberly Mims, P.O. Box 1642, Newport Beach, California, 92659. We've started YouTube under Bullying Warrior, BULLYING WARRIOR. This was actually intended to speak at the Newport Mesa Unified School District, but their meeting was canceled. But our community is asking for your assistance on safety in our schools. I've been attending your school board since June 14th, 2011. The reason I attended these meetings was based on recommendations from the Department of Education and to be forthcoming to tell my daughter's story about her unimaginable, unsafe school experience, as well as my personal experience at Newport Heights Elementary. And with the Newport Mesa Unified School District, as a parent, I was hopeful that I would have had all my concerns addressed appropriately at the school level based on the open door policy that is described in the school manual, school policies, back to school night, and according to our state laws. Never in my wildest dreams did I imagine that our family would be silenced, bullied, intimidated, retaliated against for trying to get our questions answered by simply reporting to the principal my daughter's 5th grade teacher bringing her toddler into the classroom while teaching her class for several months and to help others. The experience we had was unfathomable and unlawful, and to this day the teacher, principal, current assistant superintendent Susan Estorita, past superintendent Jeffrey Hubbard, and others were protected, and my daughter and I were left with so many unanswered questions along with disbelief, shock, and confusion as to how we were treated over the past year and a half. Through our journey, I have learned that there have been good students, teachers, and families that have been negatively impacted and devastated by this school district and by some of the same administration and school board members. There is documentation about some of these incidences as well as additional incidences that tied to the same things that we had seen or gone through, including Haley Ketchum, the high school student at CDM, threatened to be raped, murdered by 3 athletes and put on Facebook, and not protected by the district and board members approximately 3 years ago. You can view these on YouTube, Bullying Warrior, in January 2012 when Mrs. Ketchum spoke about her daughter Haley. Bullying Warrior favorites number 18, Kathy Carroll, who described the injustices and corruption that take place at the state level for education. She was a past attorney and whistleblower who worked for the California Teachers Credentials, a hero in my opinion. I proceeded to the school district level for months where, again, I was disappointed with the outcome of trying to get my questions answered. Policies were changed or created to cover up unlawful actions to assist the district to not address proper policies and procedures. I continued to seek answers at the Department of Education, which they directed me to attend the board meetings on June 14, 2011, and I did. Unfortunately, it only made the retaliation worse on my child at the school and others. Also, I spoke both to Newport Beach and Costa Mesa Police Departments.
Thank you very much.
And I went to the district attorney, and I'm looking for your help as well. I've met with Governor Brown, and we're looking for your assistance
Thank you.
to make it a safer district.
Thank you very much. Is there other public comment?